Meaning of graphic artist.
Graphic artist.
Graphic artist.
Graphic artist.
Graphic artist. A graphic artist is a professional who specializes in creating visual content using various forms of media, including digital tools and traditional art techniques. They work in various industries, such as advertising, publishing, film, and web design, to produce designs that communicate a specific message or evoke a certain emotion. Graphic artists possess a strong sense of creativity, aesthetic sensibility, and technical proficiency. They use their skills to create logos, illustrations, layouts, animations, and other types of visual content. Overall, graphic artists are highly valued for their ability to transform complex ideas into visually compelling images.